Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the keystroke in the Jupyter notebook. That is the shortcut key, which is the use in the programming. When we perform the programming, we always need to be go with the shortcut key, so we can save the lots of timing. Okay, so before starting the programming, so we'll start the programming in next video. So you need to be know about the some shortcut key which is available in the Jupyter. Last video I already discussed in the detail how the Jupyter look like and the all the functionality of the Jupyter notebook. So before starting, if you not like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to enroll any of the courses which is available in very low cost, and you can enroll any of the courses which is available in the study at education in my website. So let's start with the some shortcut key which is very useful in the Jupyter. So basically when we talk about the some shortcut key, we already have some help section here, so you can go keyboard shortcut, and you can see lots of shortcut keys available, but I'm going to discuss the some shortcut key which is the very frequently we will use during the programming. So you can review all the shortcut key, and you can use and you can practice by just clicking under the help button. So basically the first one is the alt plus enter. So basically when we need to be run the code, okay, so we have the two type of the run the code. So if you want to run this code, either you can go with the manual run, so this code will be run. But if you want to run through the shortcut key, just press the shift enter. So shift plus enter will run the code. But after the running the code, if you want to insert the new cell, you can use the basically alt plus enter. Okay, so if you use the alt plus enter, the code will be run. Okay, so you can see if you want to print like this, so if you want to press alt plus enter, you can see this code will be run. Okay, the output will display and the new cell will be inserted here. Now second shortcut key is that if you want to delete all the cell, you can press the control plus D. So basically whatever the code you writing, like I want to remove all this, you can see press control D. So this will be all the remove. Okay, so basically control D will be used to remove all the whatever the file we have, data whatever you written in the cell. More shortcut key which is available basically for the if you want to basically select and run the entire cell. Suppose if you want selected 4 to 5 cell, and that cell you need to be run. Okay, so you need to be press the control plus enter. Control plus S is basically used for the the saving point of view, and also if you want to do some type of the comment, like I want to write something, this is fourth video. Okay, so when you writing, just you need to select in place of the code, you need to write the markdown. So this got commented here. Okay, so basically in the Python, if the Python they don't want to run the code, like if you want to comment something like in the cell, you need to use the double hash. So double hash is basically used to comment the any of the text or something for the user point of view, future point of view, delivery point of view. So anyone can understand the code. So that is the reason we will use the comment in the Python. So this is the only basic keystroke. We will also see more shortcut key during the training program. So keep watching and keep learning, and if you new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. So thank you so much for the watching this video. We'll meet again in next one. Thank you.